Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I start my ground cherry from seed to sprout. So the seed that you see here, I bought this from Becker Creek Heirloom Seed, the one that's located in Mansfield, Missouri. So for the seed starting, I spread about 3 to 4 seed per cell pack. Now I put extra seed in each of the cell pack so that when they sprout, I get to choose the strongest seedling to be transplanted for my garden. Now, for smaller seed like ground cherry, I find it easier to use toothpick to gently just press the seed in the soil. So for small seed like ground cherry, they don't really require to be buried too deep. So you can just use a toothpick and press them gently into the ground. That will be sufficient enough for them. And then I water the soil. I make sure the soil is moist so that it will help with the breaking of the dormancy for the seed. And then after that, I put the humidity dome and I place this cell pack in the grow room. In the grow room, I put this cell pack on a heat mat and with the humidity dome the whole time until the seed start to sprout. After the seed starts sprouting, I take off the humidity dome, but I still keep the cell pack on the heat mat.